Hello aspirants, welcome to your very own channel Pretrap, where textbook theories meet actual prelims trap. So let's begin with question number 1. Consider the following properties regarding the arithmetic mean. Number 1. The algebraic sum of deviations of all individual observations taken from the arithmetic mean is always equal to 0. Number 2. The arithmetic mean is heavily influenced by extreme values present in the data set. Number 3. It can be computed graphically using the intersection point of less than and more than O gives. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is incorrect because the graphical intersection of O gives determines the median, not the arithmetic mean. Mode can be found via a histogram, but mean cannot be located directly through standard curves. Question number 2 is, why is the median often preferred over the arithmetic mean as a measure of central tendency when dealing with the data containing open-end classes or extreme outliers? Option A, because the median takes into account the exact numerical value of every single item in the series. Option B, because the median is a positional average that is unaffected by the extreme high or low values or unspecified open-end boundaries. Option C, because the median can be manipulated algebraically into multiple sub-regression equation. Option D, because the median is always numerically identical to the mode in skewed economic distributions. And the answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following central tendency measures is most appropriate when calculating the average size of ready-made garments, shoes, or popular political preferences? Option A, arithmetic mean. Option B, median. Option C, mode. Option D, geometric mean. And the answer is option C, mode. Question number 4 is, what does the term partition value such as quartiles, deciles and percentiles signify in descriptive statistics? Option A, values that divide a sequentially ordered data set into equal fractional parts. Option B, measures that calculate the absolute dispersion or spread of values from the mean. Option C, mathematical coefficient measuring the degree of non-linear correlation between two variables. Option D, weights assigned to individual observation in a composite index number. And the answer is option A, values that divide a sequentially ordered data set into equal fractional parts. Question number 5 is, under which of the following condition is the weighted arithmetic mean preferred over a simple arithmetic mean? Option A, when all items in the series possesses identical relative importance and frequency weights. Option B, when different items in a series have varying degrees of importance or significance relative to one another. Option C, when the dataset contains open-end class intervals at both extremes. Option D, when the researchers want to eliminate non-sampling errors completely. And the answer is option B, when different items in a series have varying degrees of importance or significance relative to one another. Question number 6 is, consider the following statements regarding the characteristics of a good average. Number 1, it should be rigidly defined by a mathematical formula so that different investigators arrive at the same answer. Number 2, it should be based on only the extreme values of the series to capture maximum volatility. Number 3, it should be capable of further algebraic and mathematical treatment. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option C, 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because a good average must be based on all observation, not just extremes, to represent the entire data set accurately. Question number 7 is, what does a Karl Pearson correlation coefficient value of -1 indicate? Option A, complete absence of any relationship between the two variables. Option B, perfect negative linear correlation, meaning as one variable increases, the other decreases in a fixed proportional ratio. Option C, perfect positive correlation where both variables move in identical direction. Option D, non-linear exponential divergence between variables. And the answer is option B. Question number 8 is, what does a correlation coefficient equal to 0 imply? Option A, the two variables are completely independent of each other with no linear relationship whatsoever. Option B, the variables have a reciprocal inverse relationship. Option C, there is no error in data collection. Option D, the variables are identical twins. And the answer is option A, the two variables are completely independent of each other with no linear relationship whatsoever. Question number 9 is, if two variables move in opposite directions but not necessarily in a constant proportional ratio, how is the resulting correlation classified? Option A, perfect positive correlation. Option B, imperfect negative correlation. Option C, zero correlation. Option D, positive non-linear correlation. And the answer is option B, imperfect negative correlation. Question number 10 is, why can correlation between two economic variables not automatically be interpreted as causation? Option A, because correlation measures only the degree of covariation and a third hidden variable or pure coincidence might drive the apparent association with a direct cause and effect link. Option B, because correlation coefficient can never be negative in real world economic data sets. Option C, because causation can only be calculated using geometric means. Option D, because correlation requires data to be gathered exclusively via the census method. And the answer is option A. Next question is, in a distribution where the values of the variables are widely dispersed with massive extreme outliers at both tails, why might the mode fail to serve as a reliable measure of central tendency? Option A, because mode requires the data to be converted into percentage first. Option B, because mode is a positional value that completely ignores the frequency of intermediate values. Option C, because mode is an ill-defined measure that can be absent multiple or fluctuate widely based on how class intervals are grouped. Option D, because mode can only be calculated for negative data sets. And the answer is option C. Question number 12 is, what does a Spearman's rank correlation coefficient equal to +1 signify? Option A, the actual numerical values of the two variables are identical across all observations. Option B, the relative ranking or ordinal sequence of individuals in both variables is completely identical. Option C, the variables possesses a normal distribution with zero variance. Option D, the regression slope is equal to 100. And the answer is option B, the relative ranking or ordinal sequence of individuals in both variables is completely identical. Last question is, under what structural condition with the arithmetic mean, median and mode of a frequency distribution be mathematically identical? Option A, when the distribution is completely symmetrical and unimodal. Option B, when the distribution is J-shaped or severely positively skewed. Option C, when the data is grouped into open-end class intervals. Option D, when the sum of a square deviation from the mean is at its absolute maximum. And the answer is option A, when the distribution is completely symmetrical and unimodal. See, I know these type of questions UPSC generally don't ask, but if UPSC does these chapters, you will not face any difficulty by solving these questions. Thank you. See you in the next video.